Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate dexterity exercise. They're very useful as warm-up for pointed pen calligraphy. So we're going to start, I'm using grid paper, which is 1/2 inch high with a 1/4 inch in between lines. We start with writing straight lines on 55-degree slant. And we're going to start on top and then go down. I'm not applying any pressure, so there is no pressure. Second exercise is drawing the same straight lines, but now I'm going to apply the pressure as I start and then release the pressure as I go down. Next is I'm going to start with no pressure, and then as I go down, I'm going to apply pressure. So no pressure, and start applying pressure. Next exercise, I'm gonna do just the horizontal lines, then 45-degree lines, one direction and the other direction. The next one, I'm going to do straight lines from the bottom up. There's no pressure. Next step, I'm going to go up with no pressure, then turn and go down with the pressure. So no pressure, turn, pressure. Next step, I'm going from top to bottom, applying pressure on the beginning, pressure, release pressure, turn, and go up. Pressure, release, turn, go up. Do each exercise, one line of each exercise. The next one, we're going to do ovals. Let me start a new line here. So with no pressure, I'm going to go in the clockwise direction. And try to keep the same distance between each oval. Then the opposite direction, counterclockwise, with no pressure. Now, with no pressure, I'm going to change distance between each oval. So I start clockwise. Again, try to keep the same distance between two ovals. Now I'm going to do the same ovals, but this time as I go down, I'm going to apply pressure. So clockwise, it's going to go this way. No pressure, pressure, release, turn, no pressure, pressure, no pressure. And in opposite direction. Next one, I'm going to make each following oval smaller. So in the end, it's going to create this cone shape. Next one, I'm going to do horizontal ovals in this direction. And I'm trying to keep each oval the same size. I'm not applying any pressure at this direction. And the opposite direction, this way. And now I'm going to do it's kind of like cone shape, only in this vertical direction. So the big one first, next one slightly smaller, smaller, and the opposite. I will start with the small oval, and each following one I'm going to make slightly bigger. So before you start doing pointed pen calligraphy, preferably you do this warm-up exercises. Do each of exercise for one line. You can do it faster, you can do it slower, different speed. The idea is just to establish connection between your hand and your brain and kind of get into this calligraphy vibe. Okay, thank you. Enjoy.